Mangala Sutta from Khuddaka Patha of Khuddaka Nikaya, in Pali, in Chakma, in English. Mangala Sutra Khuddaka Nikaya Khuddaka Padatun, Palindi, Sangmandi, Ingresindi. Nidhanang Yang Mangalang Dwadasahi Chinta Yingsu Sadeva Ka Suttanang Nadi Gachanti Atthatin Sancha Mangalang Desitang Deva Devena Sabba Papa Vinasanang Sabba Loka Hitathaya Mangalang Tang Bhanamahe. Origin. For 12 years, deities and humans were not able to think of what is blessing. For the well-being of many, including deities and mankind, I am othering those 38 types of blessings in this life. Akhoda Ze Mongolo Hoda Baro Bozor Song Devo Mane Sugote Sidegurine Udonohan Devo Mane Sugote Beg Papanina Zobate Goda Pitimit Sukpebate Se Atirich Babodor Mongolo Hoda Iot Mui Bangi Hongor E Wang Me Sutang E Kang Samayang Bhagawa Savatiyang Viharati Jetavani Anatha Pindikasa Arame Athaku Anyatara Devata Abhikantaya Rattiya Abhikanta Vanna Keval Kapang Jetavanang Obha Sitwa Yena Bhagava Tenupasankami Upasankamitva Bhagavantang Abhivaditva Ekamantang Attasi Ekamantang Tita Kosa Devata Bhagavantang Gathaya Ajbhasi. Thus have I heard. On one occasion, the Blessed One was living near Savatthi at Jetavana at Anathapindika's monastery. Now, when the night was far advanced, a certain deity, whose surpassing radiance illuminated the whole of Jetavana, approached the Blessed One, respectfully saluted him, and stood beside him. Standing thus, he addressed the Blessed One in verse. Ezan mui sunyong ek madanot gozen bhagavane shravostit Anathapindigor dan gujje Jetavon hiyangot elo te sebeden ikko Devotai ret sombagot enei goda Jetavon hiyongan potputte por guridinei gozen buddoidu azir ologi azir onei gozen bhagavanore ju judinei ek dagedi rolo ek honatheye sei devotabu gozenore ikko gataloi holo Devata bahu deva manusa cha mangalani achinteyung akankha mana suttanang Bruhi Mangala Muttamang. Deity. Many deities and men longing for happiness have pondered on the questions of blessings. Pray tell me what the highest blessings are. Balok Devo Maniye Mongol Harehoy Babiseyun Suk Pevar Daraze Hozuli Gurir Mongol Harehoy Bangi Hoide Doye Guri Amare. Buddho Asevana cha balanang Pandithanang cha sevana Puja cha puja niyanang Etang mangala muttamang. Not to associate with the foolish, but to associate with the wise, and to honor those worthy of honor. This is the highest blessing. Oga murukoloi no milana Gyani punditoi milana Puzuniyo zonore puzona Yeni bari mongol oi Patirupa desa vaso cha Pubbe cha kata punyatha Atta samma panedicha Etang mangala muttamang. To reside in a suitable locality, to have performed meritorious actions in the past, and to set oneself in the right direction, this is the highest blessing. Dharma punyo guri parede zagat tana 아게 구체 분유텔레 니저레 sommiok podot nezele yeni bari mongol oi. Bahusa chancha sipancha vinayocha susikhito subhasitha cha yavacha etang mangalamuttamang. Vast learning, skill in handicrafts, well grounded in discipline and pleasant speech, this is the highest blessing. Balok bidye janili nanan ham parili sikito gom nitiban ole gom balidi hoda hoi parili yeni bari mongol oi. Mata pitu upattanang puttadara sasangaho anakula cha kammanta etang mangala muttamang. To support one's father and mother, to cherish one's wife and children, and to be engaged in peaceful occupations, this is the highest blessing. Ma babore seba joton gorana mok posaba hochpe gome palana bezalli ham nogorana yeni bari mongol oi. Danancha dhamma charyacha nyata kanancha sangaho anavajani kammani etang mangalamuttamang. Generosity, righteous conduct, rendering assistance to relatives, and the performance of blameless deeds, this is the highest blessing. Dan dokina gorana dharma asaron palana gedi hudum ringisana duzot noparade ham gorana yeni bari mongol oi. Arati virati papa majjapana cha sanyamo appamadho cha dhammesu etang mangalamuttamang. To cease and abstain from evil, to abstain from intoxicating drinks, and diligent in performing righteous acts, this is the highest blessing. Pavottun durottana motmattolo jinizottun durottana gomdormo hamot alsinona yeni bari mongol oi. Garavocha nivatocha santutecha katanyuta kalena dhamma savanang etang mangala muttamang. Reverence, humility, contentment, gratitude, and the timely hearing of the Dhamma, the teaching of the Buddha, this is the highest blessing. Gom manjora manyogorana ahankare noona jian age siande huzi tana kridogga gunragana oktomuzim dharma hoda sunona yeni bari mongol oi. Khanti cha sova chassata samena nancha dassenang kalena dhamma sakacha etang mangalamuttamang. Patience, obedience, meeting the samanas, holy men, and timely discussions on the Dhamma, this is the highest blessing. Dojjo sojjo guntele siloban bante shromondoi degagolle oktomuzim dharma themmang guri palle yeni bari mongol oi. Tapocha brahmacharyancha arya sachana dassanang nibbana sachikiriyacha etang mangalamuttamang. Self-discipline, chastity, comprehensions of the noble truths, and the realizations of Nibbana, this is the highest blessing. Thobona gorona brahmasari oiparana arja suttu dharma janna nirban suttuan lagotpana yeni bari mongol oi. Puttassa loka dhammehi chittang yassa na kampati asokang virajang khemang etang mangalamuttamang. The mind that is not touched by the vicissitudes of life, the mind that is free from sorrow, stainless and secure, this is the highest blessing. Jagat dharmata sukh dukh ninde baini labh khoti nang bonnam lagot peleyu ja monan nolore. Monot dugot notana mon hazor nogorana monan onjur shanto rage janili yeni bari mongol oi. Etha disani katwana sabbatha maparajita sabbatha sutting gachanti tang tesang mangala muttamanti. Those who have fulfilled the conditions for such blessings are victorious everywhere,
and attain happiness everywhere. To them, these are the highest blessings. যারা ইয়েনি গুড়ি ফারন আফালে ফারন বেগ জাগাত তারা জিদি ফারন বেগ জাগাত তারার সুগোর মঙ্গল হয় ইয়েনি অলদে তারাতেই মঙ্গল হদা